Hi, good afternoon everybody. I thought I'd talk to you outside today. The sun's shining. I want to talk to you about my pure chicken stock. A really versatile product to utilize for risottos, paellas, soups, nice light sauces. In fact, this chicken stock will even go with various fish dishes if you so desire as well. It is a pure product. Now, how do I make this? Well, I use a farm not 5 miles from here, just down the road near Crediton. It's a company called Creedy Carver, started by a gentleman called Peter Coleman back in about 1985, I believe. And they rear these beautiful Ross Cobb birds. They're very slow growing, have plenty of free range area, non-genetically modified food, a little bit of obviously corn in here, and I access that company and they give me, or you know, they allow me to purchase these lovely corn-fed carcasses and also a selection of chicken necks. Why do I use these? Well, first of all, there's a nice deep rich flavor with the chicken neck. It imparts a beautiful flavor into the stock. There's a nice lightness to the carcass as well. We chop everything up. I need to access as much gelatin to give me the viscosity in the stock that will give you that lovely sauce, that give you that nice richness. The necks are also chopped up. We simmer these for 6 to up to 8 hours to impart as much flavor as possible with aromats and a nice mirepoix of vegetables. And the stocks are then packaged into our containers and available for you to use from various farm shops and shops around the country. We also do a good mail order if you need to access this product, but it is versatile, it is pure, there are no additives, gluten-free, and just a great product to use. See you soon.